Welcome back to YolkBoys, where the yolk is always the star of the show. Today I'm going to show you how to make some healthy pancakes with only eggs and bananas and 2 other ingredients. No flour, no mess. It only takes about 10 minutes to make, and yeah, they're healthy. You're going to want to save this one. These things turned out awesome. Let me show you how I made them. We're using a couple ripe bananas here, 4 eggs, a pinch of cinnamon, and just a little bit of butter for the pan. First step, drop these average sized bananas into your bowl and just start mashing away with a fork until it's nice and mushy. Now for the start of the show, just crack those eggs into this big bowl of mashed bananas. Next up, just a dash of cinnamon, or as much as you'd like. Now just take your whisk and whisk this thing until it looks nice and smooth. It looks a little runny to me, which makes me a little skeptical, but this is an egg experiment after all, so I'm going to trust the process. Now to cook these, I'm just heating up a non-stick pan on medium heat, and then I'm going to melt a little bit of butter in here until it starts to foam. After that, just pour in a small round of this batter, and they cook pretty fast, so keep an eye on it. Only about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Really not bad looking for a weird egg banana pancake. Well, they look a little bit more like crepes. They're a little bit on the thin side, a little bit flimsy, but they don't look bad, and they smell really good. So here is my banana, egg, 4-ingredient pancake stack. I'm going to give this a shot because after all, it is an egg experiment. So let's cut into these things. Four-ingredient banana and egg pancakes, yolks up. You know, really not bad. They're definitely not as good as regular pancakes. They don't have that airy fluffiness to them that the flour brings, but for just 4 ingredients and like being healthy and no carbs, these actually are pretty dang good. And if you have somebody that's watching their weight or watching their carb intake, you can really impress them with making these. Not bad. I'm gonna go 6.2 out of 10 on my pancake scale, so yeah, plus butter and syrup always helps. You can top these with peanut butter, berries, whatever you want, or just go classic like I did today. Either way, they're gonna be pretty dang good. Pretty impressed with these. There's a recipe in the description if you guys want to follow that, so go down there and like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment maybe if you think this video is trash. Thank you all for watching. Yolks up. Have a nice day.